In this video, we will split the data stuffed in one column or one cell. Let's start with the first example. And under there's these cells where there's the email of certain people, and you want to extract the first name and the last name of from the email address. And Excel will help you do that. First, start with typing the first name in the first email address, Nancy. Be careful to type it correctly. And when you start to type the second name, Excel automatically defines the first name according to the data on the left hand side, and you can see there's a faded list here, and this is the cue for you to press enter. And if you press enter at this time, Excel automatically will fill all the data for you. Now there's another way for this. The last name is already written in this cell. You click the cell below. There's these flash fill options you can use, or in the home tab you select fill and flash fill, and it will automatically fill the certain last names from the email addresses under the cells in the last name column. The shortcut is Control E. Now you can split the data based on delimiters. First, you select the data you want to split, and after that you go to the data tab, and from this tab you select text columns. Now there are two options, either delimited or fixed width. Select delimited option, select next, and here you can select a different kind of delimiters. In this example we will going to use comma as the delimiter. Select next and keep this selection as general, and select D32 as destination and click finish. And here you split the data using the comma as the delimiter easily. Now you can split a column with formulas. This is a little bit complicated. This cell contains a name with 3 words. And we would like to separate this as first name, middle name, and last name. First name is relatively easy, and we are using the left function here. And here's the explanation of this function. Extract characters from the left side of C56 cell, and which characters we are going to extract is we are going to find by the number. Extract this many characters. To specify the number of characters, use the find function. And this find function, we are looking for the space in here between the first name and the middle name, and then after that we extract one to exclude the space itself. Okay, and then we can extract this first name here, and we can try something like this, and you can see we would omit the E at the end of this name. To only subtract the exclude the space itself, we use -1. And this one is the helper column for the middle name and the last name. We extract the middle and last name from the data cell. We use the write function here. In this function works, if we click on it, we will look for the data in C58, and then we will subtract the first space place from the length of the data in this cell. That's the amount of the characters on the right hand side of the first space. And there's a trick, and you can check it like this. Press F9 and it's 7 here. Just press Ctrl Z or escape. And after you find the middle name, you extract the middle and the last name. Now you can extract the middle name as you extract the first name from the whole data. You use the left function, but this time we are using the helper column here, F56, and the other input are the same. You look for the space in the F56 and subtract 1 to exclude that space from the name, and you get Francis. And with the same method, you get the middle and the last name together. You use the same method on the helper column to extract the McKay, the last name. The same method for the helper column. And that's the end of the splitting in Excel. Thank you very much.